Okay, I just want to know, am I the only one that just sees something and she wants it right now? Like, I want. How many things can you get in your closet? Hi beautifuls, and welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on my channel, my name is Chichi and I concentrate on fashion and lots more. If this sounds like what you're interested into or you want to know more about this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below and get to know what this channel is all about. Join the little community right here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love y'all. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my end of the year luxury wish list. I know we have like 2 more months to the end of the year. Before I get into the list that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, I want to talk about the fragrance for today. And the fragrance for today is Fruity Orange by Dossier. Dossier is a fragrance company that strives to create fragrances, and they're inspired by these luxury fragrances that we know out there. These fragrances are fair in price. When I mean fair in price, meaning that the price mark is very reasonable. And like I said, the scent that I do have today is Fruity Orange. This scent is inspired by Clinique Happy Udo perfume. I have used this perfume a long time ago, so I still do remember the scent. It smells exactly like Clinique Happy, and I'm going to pop up right here the notes for this and yeah, so help yourself. Go ahead to Dossier's website. They do have a lot of fragrances that you can try out. I mean, name it, they have a whole lot of fragrances you can try out, and they were like $29.99. I can tell you right now that this fragrance lasts a very long time, so you don't need to keep topping this fragrance. So this is how it works. Any scent that you order from Dossier's website comes with a tester. This tester, you can try it out and without touching the 50 ml bottle. If you do love the scent, you can go ahead and keep your fragrance. If you do not love the scent, you can go ahead and return. You can go ahead, select what fragrances that you like, and also go along with the tester. If you don't like it, you can return it, exchange it for another fragrance that you like. And the cool part is you don't have to touch the 50 ml bottle because you already have a tester. Moving along, let's get into this end of the year luxury wish list. So I'm going to split this list into 2 categories, which is the wants and the needs. I had to do it that way because if I don't, then I end up buying things that I necessarily don't need to have, you know. So for me personally, I don't know how you define your wants and needs, but for me personally, my wants is something that I see something right now online. I don't have it in my books. I'm not thinking about buying it, but like it's like an impulse buying. So I call that as my wants because I haven't even settled down to say, okay, how am I going to fix this into my wardrobe? How is it going to go with my everyday style, or not even everyday style? How is it going to go with my lifestyle, my fashion lifestyle? You know, I just go ahead and buy. So that's like the want section. Whereas the needs section is something that I've seen over and over again. I have slept over it. I've pondered over it. I have calculated and thought about how it's going to go with my closet, how it's going to benefit me in the long run. Is it going to hold its value? You know, stuff like that. That's my needs section. So without wasting anyone's time, let's just get right into the list. Okay, so the first item on my need list would be a Chanel Classic flat bag in a size medium, preferably 2 tones. I'm going to put up the picture right here for you guys to see the bag that I'm talking about. They have the red on black and black on red. It's not in the store, but if you have an essay, your essay could order this bag for you. I've made inquiries about this bag. I love this bag, I needed something, another classic flat bag that I can add to my little collection. But I didn't just want a plain color, I wanted something with color. Originally I wanted a classic flat bag, but then I'm like, no. When I'd seen this, I'd love it, I fell in love with it. It wasn't like I wanted, it was more like I need to go back, think about it, because these bags are not cheap, they're very expensive. I'm saying, in my mind, I'm saying, okay, in the long run, if I don't want it anymore, if I want something else, I can actually sell it and get my money's worth, maybe even get more than what I paid for it. That's the first item on my need list. The second item on my need list would be a Coco handle, preferably in a size small. And the colors would be probably a chocolate brown, a black color, a beige color, maybe cream, maybe white, maybe burgundy. Those 6 colors are what I'm looking for, again, because I'm looking for something that I can use over time, something that is not picky with my outfit, something that is very neutral, and something that can last a long time in my closet, probably in caviar leather, if they do have it in caviar leather. Yeah, so I would love to have another Coco handle, but this time around in a size small. So the third item on my need list would be a Lady Dior bag in a size small, preferably in a rose color and patent leather as well. Again, I'm gonna pop the picture right here. I have been on a hunt for this bag. Several times I've tried to go purchase this bag and it's out of stock. It's still out of stock right now, but yeah, this is a highly needed bag in my closet. I do have one from years ago, and that one is like a deep burgundy color. It's from a very long time ago, and that's like a mini size. I want something a little bit bigger than a mini size, which is a small, and I'm looking for it in a dusty rosy color. And yeah, that's one of my most needed. So that's highly on my list. Maybe I should have pushed that to number 1 because I need that bag. All right, let's talk about the next item. And the next item on my need list is this Fendi. All right, I don't own any Fendi items right now except sunglasses, and I didn't see the need to get one because the bags out there, I didn't really like them. They were just too shouty, some of them were too tacky for me, and I decided not to actually splurge on Fendi until I see something that really suits my style. And boom, 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 they came out with this Fendi vest. I'm even choking. Oh my god, I'm choking, I can't even say. But they came out with this Fendi first bag. I'm like, holy moly, Lord have mercy. This, what? You know, and I'm like, yeah, it needs to come. It needs to come up here in my closet. Jokes apart, it's very classy. It looks like a timeless piece. It's not, I don't think it's trendy as per se. For me, I feel like it's something that is like a rare piece, and the logos are not everywhere. It's just a proper leather pouchy bag that can be used in several ways. I'm going to be going for a beige color, the beige, cream color, or the brown color, not the black, because I'm not a fan of black, but I'll basically get my black bags from Chanel than any other brand. Okay, so I'm going for the neutral colors because again, I want something that it's all rounder, like I can use and not get restricted how I wear these items. So preferably a cream beige color or a brown color. That's what I'm going for, and a size small. Okay, because your girl is petite and I love petite bags. Okay, so the last item on my need list will be a Louis Vuitton armor bag, but not just a regular armor bag. the personalized bag, they were less than $2,000. A couple of days ago I checked and they have increased their pricing. I said, Lord have mercy. Hey, all these houses, these brand houses, they're just going Google and crazy. I don't really understand what's going on though, you know. But I've always wanted an armor bag, but not just a regular armor bag. I wanted an armor bag that is tailored to me, something that is going to be very sentimental, something that I know that I'm not going to get rid of over time, something that I keep looking in my closet. I'm like, oh, that's me. Okay, it's just personalized to me. Make me feel special. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to get a personalized armor bag, preferably with my initials, probably like Chica, you know, on it, and some little details on the bag. I'm going to pop up the picture right here. I'm going for the black on canvas material. I don't want to go for the traditional leather. I just want to go with the black top handle and the base black with the canvas around it, because I don't like how when you just buy the regular leather bag that is it's like white, it looks whitish to me. I don't like the way it looks too fadeish, you know, and it takes time to patina over time, and I don't like that. I like a proper leather bag with the top handle that is like black or brown, you know, something that is not like that white color that has to patina over time. So that's why I'm going for this bag, and it's going to be personalized to my own taste in me, so I'll be so special and I'll be so drawn to this bag. So yeah, I want this armor bag. I mean, I need this armor bag, not once. I need this armor bag in my closet, because yeah, since I ain't gonna get rid of it, it's just gonna stay for the entire time, for a very long time. So those are the items that I need. So now that I'm done with the bags that I need, realistically, I'm thinking about getting maybe 2 before the year runs out, maybe, realistically, because I listed 5. So I'm trying to be very realistic, and being realistic, maybe 1 or 2. The rest could be pushed over to next year, you know. But those are my needs, and let's get into the wants. So the first item on my want section would be a pair of Fendi First Mules. And the reason why I said the Fendi First Mules, which I'm going to put the picture right here, is just to go with the Fendi First bag. Now I do love shoes a lot. Like, I'll splurge on shoes first before splurging on bags, so I might end up even getting the shoes even before getting the bag, but then I just put it out as my wants, because I'm actually trying to reset my brain to get the items that are needed first. So yes, the first item will be the Fendi First Mules. Preferably whatever color of the bag that I get will be the color of the shoes that I will get. The next item would be a Dior palms to go with my Lady Dior bag. So obviously, if I do get the Lady Dior bag, you know that I'm going to get the Dior shoes. So it's right here on my want section. So yes, preferably a patent leather color, probably the same color as the bag that I am getting or that I need. The third item would be Chanel earrings. I have been looking for these earrings for a very long time. They don't have it. Even the SS can't order these earrings. So I'm thinking about going the other route, which is a third party. I probably would check Fashion File to see if they do have these earrings. But my only problem with Fashion File is most of the items that they list on your website are overly priced, like overly priced on what it costs at the retail store. Like, sometimes I'm like, what's the point of even buying over there, you know? So there's like pros and cons from buying from Fashion File. But yeah, maybe I might be looking at a third party to get these earrings. I'm gonna pop it right here. I'm still on the hunt for it. Anyone knows where I can get these earrings, please let me know. So yeah, that's part of my wants. The next item would be another pair of a Hermes bracelet. This time around, I do not want the regular bracelet. I want this one right here, preferably a black or a beigey color, more like a brownish, you know, creamy color. And I'm looking for something different, and this one right here looks really good. I love the padlock on it. So I'm looking at the black color or like a creamy beigey color for now. The next item on my list would be these earrings that I saw on Versace's website. Y'all know that I love hoop earrings. If you didn't know, I love hoop earrings. I can buy a lot of hoop earrings. I love hoop earrings. So when I saw this, I mean, I was like, oh my god, I love this, I like this, you know. So it's not something that I need, it's something that I want. So I stack it over to the want section. And yes, so these earrings are in my radar. I do love them. I love how you can see the V in the middle of the hoop. And the last item I'm going to be sharing with you guys, yes, I know I said no more Gucci, but this last last time, I definitely know that this might not make it this year. That's why it's in my want section. But this bag has been on my radar, and it's the Trotter GG Beauty Case bag. No words. Let's just leave it like that. That's why it's in the want section, okay? But I'm popping up the picture right here. I know I said that, but can I get a rain check for that? Okay, so yeah, so I just added that there because I mean I love it, and I'd seen it in the store, but sister gotta wait for it, you know, because I got more pressing needs than the wants, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright, family and beauties, this brings me to the end of my need and wants end of the year luxury list, wish list. Like I said, most of these items would not make it to the end of the year. I would have to pick from all these items and probably move every other thing to next year. Maybe by next year something else is going to be on that list. For right now, these are the things that I am looking at. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and see you all in the next one. Take care and bye bye.